Hello everyone, welcome to the Cloud Network channel. In this video, I'm going to show you about how to install Node.js and npm in Ubuntu 18.04, which I'm using. You can also install in Debian and in also Linux Mint. The method are same and procedure are same for that one installing, and you can find all those things, commands and steps in the below to my video in the description box. There will be a link that will redirect to my website blog, that is blog actually. So this is a officially website of Node.js where you can find documentations and related to versions, latest versions, other things. And this is a stable release version, and officially GitHub where you can see about the npm's procedure script is there. You can find there. There are three methods for installing this one. First method, it is the five steps will be there. This is easiest and to install, and the second one is to install through PPA, and the third one is to install through npm. So let me show you the first step command. I have already updated that one, so I'm just skipping that one command. So I'm typing the second one for installing that one. So let's begin the second one. Type the password. After that, you need to check the version of Node. Either you can type like this, Node space -v, or you can give Node space double hyphen version, or Node.js-v. Any of three one you can give to check about the version here. And after that we'll install npm, then we check the version. So this is the first method is there. For second one is we need to update, then you need to upgrade, then you install the Python software, then you need to type this one or either this one. In place of 12.x you can give any version of the latest you want to give. If you want to give 10 or 13, you can just go ahead, replace the 12 with give the version. So just give either this one command or this one command. Then you need to install Node.js, then check the version of both Node and npm. Then you need to install these build essential. So in this way all those second method is working. The third one is to installing through npm. Okay, so that's nothing but is to install through this path. We need to just type the first one. This is check, this is the version about 0.31, which is version you want to install. For that version you can check in here in this script. Once you open this GitHub script, there you can find about this version which is having installation latest or not. So this is actually the latest one only. For previous version you can check on this GitHub website. Just open this website and there you will see, they will get the option about that one. Okay, after that type npm ls or npm ls hyphen remote. Okay, any one you can type between that one. Then you need to install the npm latest, and then once you install that command npm or lts, it will show the versions with like which versions it's having the latest one. So use that one and then type this command after that to use that version. Then you need to type the Node version to check for the ns, all those things one by one type. And if you want to remove the Node.js, just type this command to remove the Node.js. It's nothing but to remove everything, auto remove, and remove the Node.js, all those things. And to type this one to check the environment whether there is remove or not. And its installation, this one is deactivation. So this is all command is there to remove the Node.js is there. And this is the npm which you can install the through this npm or through this PPA, and this through the source code. Okay, so let's check it is completed. Now we'll check the version by typing node-v. On the screen you can see this is a version which I told you 16 I've written, just remove the 15. Okay, so this is the version, it's installed and let's over just okay. So now it's fine. So we'll install the npm through that one. Okay, so like so unable to correct. So what is that error? I've got it. So let me check why I got the error here. So I need to wait. So on the screen I got this one when I type this sudo npm install. So okay, so what I'm going to do that, so I will check the version of npm. I'm typing npm and space -v. So on the screen you can see I got the version of 6.13.7 is the version for npm. So that means I am just deleting this command because it had been already installed. So I am just skipping with the Node.js. It's already with the Node.js. It's along with Node.js installing npm also. So directly checking the both version is fine. Now through the ppm we can install, and through you can check. So let's start with this one. So I'm going to install the Python properties upgrading. It's not right now I'm doing. So let's now installation cadet means that we can skip that one, don't need to worry about that one. So let's copy this one, come. Now we'll see what is happening. Then we'll install the Node.js. It's already been completed now, so that you can type this command and check the version. So like I'm just typing this to install van package, run this van showing van. Okay, run sudo apt install node.js or node.npm is to building there. So what I'm going is to copying this one. Let's check what is exactly tell me. Okay, so it's already installed. Let's check the version. Node.v, so 12.5 for npm. It's version C. So I got this already installed, so I'm just skipping that one. For this one, let me show you about directly this command. Okay, so that you if you get any error, so you can see downloading, cloning into the my home. So it's cloning in the directory of this one home folder. Once it's clone, I will type ls to check. Sorry, ls. So as you can see, there will be some clone downloaded, I think so. So it's not showing it. Okay, let's say no. Now type nv ls or nv ls remote as you can do. So I'm using that one, is not working, remote. Okay, so in this way both are not working. So what is that one? So just keep that one also. I will use npm install command. So let's check what is showing. Oh, it's not showing. 7fts. So command npm not found. Did you mean gsm some info snap is there? So when I type the first one, the same one, I got why it's showing like this, I don't know. Or else we use npm as that means I think this one is currently not work. First one. Let's go scroll up to see what here it's showing here. Close and reopen time to start npm and run the following to use it now. Export and then all those things it's showing. Okay, this load npm bash to complete the. Okay, so that means use npm system npm uninstall eg module just to install. The procedure is showing about that one. So I'm just closing this one terminal, then reopening here terminal. Okay, closing right now. So right now opening the terminal here. So now I got here my terminal. So let's type that one. Okay, that's completed. Now we'll check Node.ls here, which was not working. As you can see, it's working fine. Now we'll see ls hyphen remote is there. So in this way, if I type ls remote, so I got so many versions. So here, so as we can see, Debian, no, we don't require. Ethereum, no. Carbon, Bonix, and so many is there. I'm scrolling up to see, check what I can get. So like I said, we need the version of that one, just increasing version. If I go last column, there I got this one is 12.16 is there. This one we have installed. The 13 one is there. So okay, so now I will type npm use this latest like this. I will use this one. Okay, just paste this one. Okay, now you can see you need to run npm install this version. So in this way it's going to downloading version. Okay, then we need to type node.version to see about which version is there. So once we start downloading, we'll check the what version. So after that you can use all those things command for removing, which I've already told you. Okay, so that's it my for video, friends. Default also is there. You can see the command is use npm default is there. So if you have any problem, you can comment below to my video. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to Cloud Network channels. You can also email me on itcloudnet@gmail.com. You can share my channel to your friends and relatives, everything. Please subscribe to Cloud Network channel.